Hey guys, back again with another video for the channel. So tonight we have a very special, extra special video in stores for you, and it's a very funny one. Why?
It's part 2.
Part 2 of
Lelen and
Roger's
Yep.
How Well Do You Know Me video. Yes guys, if you haven't seen the part 1, just go ahead and do so. Go ahead and watch it guys. You will laugh till your belly busts, and then come back and watch the part 2. So as you can see, we have our popcorn, we have our drinks, we have our blanket, and we are about to watch part 2 guys with you guys. So
Hey Netflix.
see Netflix?
No.
What are you watching?
Lelen and
Roger.
Alright.
We are already laughing guys. So oh yes, what we have to tell them, if they are new,
Oh, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe
yes guys,
with the button behind it.
below.
Alright, okay. The button is below.
Yes, be sure to click on that subscribe button guys. Be sure to share the video, share it to everyone you know, to your friends, to your family, that way they can laugh till their belly bust.
And you know what? We're looking for new couples.
Yes, yes.
Some new couples that are funny.
Mm-hmm.
And just to have fun. And a lot of people just enjoy it. A lot of people, every day somebody see me, they say they laugh. They just laugh and they can't wait till number 2. So it's finally here, so we are ready to push it and look at it.
Yes, and we can't wait guys. And like how Patrick said, if you are up to come on the show and find out how well do you know your partner, do contact us. So let's get into it.
I've done eating already.
Thanks guys, don't forget to share the video and like the video. Enjoy.
Hey guys, we are back.
We back on it.
We are back.
But this time is not me in the hot seat. This time is my lady who's on the back in the hot seat. It's gonna be rough, you know. I got some few questions for her, and I think that it will be a little difficult, not like the last time. I hope you guys ready for questions them, cause this one's gonna be hot. And I think that she will lose her head in that one. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, cause in this one,
The last time,
I think I'm gonna miss her. Cause in the deal you getting too rough.
the last time I came, I was quiet.
Yeah,
but this tonight, I come all look pretty up.
Yeah, but
Hot
you're
up.
on the hot seat. You supposed to.
Because then I know I could be on a hot seat, but I could back it up, you know.
You're supposed to be random. You're supposed to.
Run down who? This G? I don't remember this thing that we gonna know. Chili? But chili is spice.
Nah, I ain't think.
Just bring it. Let's make this thing happen tonight, people.
Yeah,
Make it happen.
yeah.
Peace. And this thing, you gonna say, do this. Watch and learn.
Alors, je disais, là maintenant c'est le moment du hot seat. Et pour l'instant, madame fait la fofolle comme d'habitude. Bon, là maintenant, là, je vais lui poser des questions et j'espère qu'elle pourra répondre. Parce que normalement, le but c'est de savoir, c'est de connaître la personne qu'on est avec, qu'on vit avec. Alors, du coup, j'espère qu'elle me connaît, on va voir. Par rapport à la première question, normalement, si elle me répond bien, elle a le droit à un bisou. Et si elle me répond mal, normalement, elle a droit à un coup de... Comment on appelle ça?
Le manteau. Manteau piqueur.
Ah bon, que vous connaissez. Alright. Well, first question is, what's my little name?
Your first name is Looking. Looking. Si j'attends la langue Looking.
Oui, mais là on va accentuer pour la guille.
Looking.
Voilà. Eh ben ouais, c'est ça. t'as gagné.
Merci.
Non. Ah ouais, là c'est mieux.
D'accord.
Ah ouais, j'adore. Alors, second question.
Go ahead, I'll wait for it.
We'll see what it's about.
Bring it on.
You sure?
I just say bring it on.
But I want a little easy still, man.
Here we go
I
again.
find so. Yeah, I find so because you always see it. I mostly laisse-moi poser la question. Let me ask the question first, and we'll see. Alors, what is my favorite basketball team? I know you're gonna find out.
I don't know what basketball with him.
Yeah, but
He
still,
might call nothing.
I know you.
But when I do number plate, it's Miami Heat and I put on top of the number plates.
Yep.
And everything is Miami Heats.
Yep.
So, Miami Heats.
Thank you.
Bring it on.
My best is all.
Okay, then
No,
good.
it was too easy, and you watch.
Don't say that, but you ask question, but you
Yeah,
you read like a doctor. You read like a doctor, so me can understand. I don't say you just.
It's still on me.
Okay.
You get it good.
Okay.
Alright, you need a kiss.
Oh, I need a kiss, but normally you got to lean, not me. Oh, lean. I had back lean, but when told me to sit,
Yeah.
you wasn't know how to sit. Oh,
I
lean.
think
So
so.
come on, lean. Lean. Okay, good.
Yes. Now we're gonna pass to the third question. It was simple. I find so.
You picked them, not me. I just got to
Yeah,
answer.
but I thought you would you know.
Just bring it on.
I'm going to big.
I bet, but look it. Look at big address as for my baby.
What is the favorite country I like to pass my vacation?
The favorite country love to pass your vacation.
It's still really. It's not
The
too hard,
favorite country you like to pass a vacation, or the favorite country you would like to go pass a vacation? Which one?
No, I like passing
You
my
like
vacation.
the States.
Yeah.
The States.
Where exactly?
The States? Miami? The States? Take us bunch of places.
Yeah.
The
but,
States?
you know, you got cities.
But whether you just tell me the
big
country,
cities.
people understand me. If you are telling me détaillé, je vais détailler. He say the country, the state people. Kiss me. He said
Yes, yeah.
yeah, it's a
You
state.
sure you deserve it?
Oh my goodness, I beg you, know, I win it, so get a man.
I see.
Yeah, ça commence là. Ben man.
The fourth one,
Already?
I think she got it all. I think she getting them all. I hope that you know all of them.
Bring it
I
on.
hope
You
so.
said that. I come pretty far, isn't it? I ain't come pretty to get hammer up, you know. Oh, I come pretty to represent. So there's a month of breast cancer, so I'm representing that. Let me bring it on.
Okay. Let me see if you will get this one.
Of course, with a sexy smile.
I was asking a question. En français, je vais te le demander en français. comme
Ok, il n'y a
ça.
pas de souci, je suis là pour ça.
Quels sont les pays que j'ai déjà visités?
Wow.
Which are the countries that I
Visit.
Yeah, already.
You say countries, eh?
Yeah.
You say island.
Well,
Ok, pays fatal ou Haïti. Tout normal. C'est tout normal. Haïti,
Yeah.
one.
everybody know that one, but.
United States, États-Unis, ça fait deux. La Guadeloupe, c'est bien un pays, les gens, hein, c'est un pays, hein, la Guadeloupe.
C'est une île aussi, hein?
C'est une île, oui, mais la Guadeloupe, mais les endroits que tu as dit tu as visité, hein.
Ouais.
La Guadeloupe, tu as été Marie-Galante.
Ça fait 6.
Attends, non,
Il y en a normalement 8.
Seba.
Ouais. 7.
Wait,
Il manque un.
wait.
Il manque un.
Wait. Seba.
Tu m'as dit Guadeloupe,
Ouais, Haïti,
Haïti,
États-Unis,
États-Unis,
Seba, Anguilla,
Anguilla, Marie-Galante.
Marie-Galante, les Saintes.
Il manque 2.
Mais non, tu as dit 8.
Oui, 8. Il manque.
Tu viens de dire
Il
8.
manque 2. Il manque 1.
Haïti,
Il manque 1.
la Guadeloupe, États-Unis,
Et là, qu'il manque 1.
Seba, Anguilla, les Saintes, Marie-Galante.
Il là, qu'il manque 1.
People.
Is 8.
People. C'est ma then.
You see, il là, qu'il manque 1.
No way. You can't hit me. Wait, you can't hit a hammer if I didn't find non-period. Okay, but I find.
Boy, it's still là, qu'il manque 1. And it's so simple. You never say.
Marie-Galante a dit oui.
Mais tu sais, c'est un pays, hein. C'est pas une île.
Haïti. Miami?
C'est pas une île. Hein.
C'est
pas une île.
Mais Haïti, t'as pays fatal. Je te dis Haïti?
Pays fatal.
Ah, pas pays fatal. C'est matin alors?
Pays fatal. C'est mort.
Oui, il y a quelqu'un fois.
Bon.
You for real?
Ah oui, mais comment qu'il y a.
C'est
tellement simple. C'est so simple. Je parle en français.
Attends,
j'écris le français.
on reprend.
Je parle le français, j'écris le français, mais tu pouvais pas dire la France.
Ok, c'est vrai.
Ça fait une question ratée là. Tu vois, c'était pas si simple que ça. Hein,
je te jure.
Ah, tu vois, j'ai quand même corsé la chose.
Il n'y a pas de souci, j'ai eu un marteau.
Mais c'était
pas marteau, mais j'aurais.
C'était pas voulu, hein.
Mais c'était pas ça normalement. Mais laisse tomber, parce que ça c'est triché. C'est des gens trichés, mais tous les moyens, ils payent moins. Ils disent moi si t'es au là où connaît ouais, en Dieu, mais vous voulez dire moi où t'es qu'à manquer yon. So pas te bon moi. Je prends le marteau.
Mais j'ai dit pays.
Bon, finalement, pas quoi.
C'est
moi qui l'ai reçu la santé.
I say, okay, no problem. But I say,
eh ben bon, ça pétait.
Alors, la France c'est un pays.
Bien sûr, je suis tout à fait d'accord avec toi.
It's not an island.
Je suis tout à fait d'accord.
So you gotta know that.
I can't go against you. I join you. No problem. I join in you.
It's all cool, but
yeah, but
it's all cool, man.
I think no drink water. Yeah.
The second one.
One hitter.
Yeah. And we going to the fourth question now.
Again, this fourth move not
And this one, I think, this one you normally supposed to win, knowing that one clearly and surely.
Let me see.
And it's so simple that I think that you should be bugging in that one.
Bring it.
What is the color of my eyes?
The color is your eye. Open your eye. See, bro? For sure they're black because you don't see nothing.
You should
brown.
tell me.
Brown.
Yeah. You got this one. Very simple, but you always watching my
But that'll tell you brown. You want to tell me black? Brown.
No, it's brown.
Okay, then good.
You get that one.
Me gonna be punching for you, I'm not telling you.
How?
You gotta mean. You gotta mean. This is hot. You gotta come close on the fire.
Alors, on passe à la cinquième question. Ah, c'était simple, hein?
Je te dis, ben je vais avec moi. Mais t'as là, tu m'as triché, tu sais ça.
How?
T'as triché, mais t'inquiète.
Oh, yeah.
T'inquiète, mon pote.
Oui, France.
Mais oui, mais France, Saint-Martin, on va pas
Haiti.
Ok, on continue. On continue.
We're talking about countries, right? Alors, cinquième question, elle doit regarder les questions.
Pas de souci. Je t'écoute attentivement, passionnément.
Quel est le petit surnom de jeune fille de ma mère?
Ah, tu vas essayer, non? Le petit surnom de jeune fille de ta mère?
Ouais. Le nom de jeune fille de ma mère. Excuse-moi. Le petit nom de jeune fille de ma mère. Celui-là est...
Attends. I don't be on your mother. Mais le petit.
Yeah, but... You...
Ok, yeah. Gâteau. Gâteau ou gâteau? Gâteau. Gâteau.
A cake?
No, but the people that say, when they just see her, Gâteau.
I know you like cake, but
Gâteau.
I think you like that one. Nice.
You know, t'es gâteau. T'es something with gâteau. You know the Haitian language. Gâteau.
That's why I wanted to ask you that.
Gâteau.
I wanted to ask you that question.
Gâteau à tout.
And you just hear it, you know.
But you know, but on a custom. Gâteau.
Tattoo.
Mais tu vois là, c'est presque pareil.
Non, c'est pas pareil.
People, let me be real. People, let me be real.
Cake. Gâteau.
I don't speak the language like this thing, okay? I am calling out gâteau. But I don't hear the tattoo.
Tattoo.
You see?
Tattoo.
But I know it's something with gâteau. But please, people, I deserve it, not true? I deserve it, my people. I deserve it.
No, but you
You see this? Roger, you gotta be fair. You gotta be fair, Roger. Roger, you gotta be fair.
No, but you listen to yourself.
But I listen to myself. Gâteau or gâteau is tattoo. It's close, man. It's close. Because when I go pick up. Bravo. Bravo. You see this thing, people?
So that's 2 questions.
Don't worry, my brother. You keep it going today because your night. Enjoy it.
Well, I started
I
to.
tell you.
Doubt
I
on
gotta
you,
say
though.
the thing, you know. But anyway.
I
You're on the doubting. No, don't. Don't. I don't to know too.
Though we're gonna pass to number 6.
Bring it on.
Yeah.
Gâteau, tattoo.
Hello.
Anyway.
Ah, this one.
But one thing, the last time I watched this show, Taco say you were teaching, teach him. She teach, so you say. But you the same thing, no? You know that? Oh my gosh, my son. But anyway, people just a parenthèse. Sorry for that. Let's go, Roger.
Alright.
You teach me? Anyway.
Bugging.
Me bugging, you teach me. But anyway, let's go.
No, but how I teach you?
Don't worry, my brother. Let's go, my brother. You just want to feast. You want to say you hit.
No,
but don't worry, you won't hit no more. Let's go.
How much I did the last time?
I don't know. I can't remember this thing. When we done all of
I
this.
didn't do wrong.
Oh my God. When we done all of this, we'll get back to it. I know your teeth may right, you know, because I don't be going much, and I know they're kind of gâteau, but you want to say no tattoo. I mean, she got mother, but I know they're kind of gâteau. But anyway, bring it. Your teeth metal. Good.
You right?
I good, man, I good. I leave it for now, but I'm good.
You know?
No, I good. I don't like teaching, but anyway.
So, I could pass it on number 6 now?
Yeah, go through.
Alright. So, what is my favorite color?
Good. I would like to go funeral in black. Look for Roger.
You get that one.
Okay,
It
good.
was too simple.
But
No,
you got me na edge right, you know.
You gotta lower it down a little bit just to ease up the pressure.
You can negative. Let's go, babe.
But
Do your duty. Do your duty.
It would not be simple. It would not be simple.
I done with you a long time.
I really gotta know truly and fairly if you know me good.
Okay, but the black. Cemetery color.
Yeah, but that one was simple still.
Okay, then good.
You deserve it.
Okay, then.
Okay, now it's number 7. They always say the 7 always bring luck.
Let me see it.
Alors, quel est mon passe-temps préféré?
C'est-à-dire ton passe-temps préféré. Ta
What is
passion
my
préférée. People sit, relax and learn this one. Your hobby.
Don't go too far, you know.
Your hobby means to say what you love to do when you have your time. Just that.
My mean time.
And your mean time,
My
not you?
me time. Me time.
Sport.
Huh?
Sport.
Where you going?
You like to, your hobby yourself? Oh, people, he love to draw.
Huh?
You say your hobby. You like to. Okay,
No.
people me tell you something.
Mon passe-temps, hein?
Mais il faut choisir le. Tu mets du bon grand français.
Il y a hobby et passe-temps.
Mais tu m'as dit ton hobby.
No.
Tu m'as dit ton hobby.
That's my hobby. What you just saying there?
But then you tell me your hobby. People watch back this video, eh? He say hobby. So, again, your hobby. So, tu veux ton
Non, mon
passe-temps.
passe-temps préféré.
Ton passe-temps préféré, c'est la pêche, la natation, la moto.
Instagram.
Instagram?
Yeah.
Oh, God, non. Non. Tu raté
That
le
is
réseau.
my hobby. C'est mes hobbies.
Ton passe-temps préféré, qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? Tu aimes, comment dire ça, construire des choses.
Ah.
Mais oui, parce que pour moi, c'est pareil les mots, tu vois.
Non, mais
Hobby et passe-temps, c'est pareil. Hein.
Ah non, mais hobby, c'est ce que tu aimes faire.
C'est comme ton...
Le passe-temps, c'est ce que tu fais.
Par contre,
pendant que-
tu utilises du grand français ce soir. Hein. Je vous dis, hein,
I'm French.
ça c'est politique. Grand français, ah, elle va pas.
I'm French.
À voter, hein.
Ah ben ouais.
C'est à voter là. Hein.
Surtout pour toi.
Je te jure, c'est du grand français. Hein.
Moi qui voter.
Pour moi qui voter, mais c'est du bon français. Je te félicite dessus. Hein. Tu m'as bien eu là. Tu m'as
Alors,
bien eu.
quel est mon passe-temps préféré?
Ton passe-temps préféré, tu aimes construire, tu aimes fabriquer des choses, tu aimes créer des choses.
Wow.
C'est ça. Il aime créer des choses. C'est
C'est
si
vrai.
quelque chose lui dit dans la tête, aujourd'hui je fais un banc en bois, il fait le banc. Dans 2 jours, il y a le banc. Parce
Mais ça
qu'il
dépend.
avait toujours dit qu'il va fabriquer une table de billard. Mes potos, mes chers clients, mes chers visiteurs de ce show ce soir, la prochaine fois, j'ai envoyé Christine la photo du billard qu'il a fabriqué dans
Ouais, c'est
6 mois.
Yeah,
Dans
pendant le
6 mois,
confinement,
pendant le confinement, il a fabriqué une table de
ça c'est
billard
mon passe-temps ça.
en aluminium. Et je vous dis, si
Ah,
vous
mais tu me
cherchez...
connais, alors.
Mais attends, je peux brailler.
Mais là,
Je peux parler. Hein.
Ah, bah, calé sous.
La table de
Il
billard,
va coûter où?
la table de billard, c'est
Parce que
incroyable
là,
mais vrai.
on va répondre une question là.
La table, c'est ça, mais il faut que je réponde à la question parce que je n'ai pas ton marteau. Moi.
Ah.
La table de billard, c'est incroyable mais vrai. So, si vous voulez voir la table de billard, j'ai envoyé Christine la photo demain ou bien ce soir, de voir sa passion. Et si vous voulez avoir une table de billard chez vous, vous nous contactez. Vous contactez Roger par contre. Hein? Et moi, non, plutôt moi. Parce que c'est moi qui parle de ça.
Boss lady.
D'accord? Vous me contactez sur le 06 88
Ma
88
secrétaire. Oh.
47
On va
57.
bailler trop d'informations.
Et la table de billard, je vous dis, hein, c'est pas la peine d'aller acheter. Hein.
Non, mon voici pour vous donner.
Et la table de billard, vous le voyez à la maison, vous l'aurez chez vous. Incroyable mais vrai. Voilà. J'ai répondu?
Yeah.
Ok, boum!
Bisous.
Ça pétait.
Là, on mérite un bel bisou là même. Ah ouais.
Mouah.
Là, on est à la 8e question.
8e question ce soir.
excuse-moi. Alors, mon hobby. My
crois?
hobby. No, you see, no. I did say
Je
passe-temps.
vous dis, hein, je vous le
Il y a
jure.
passe-temps et hobby. Maintenant, ça, c'est mon hobby, mes hobbies préférés.
L'hobby préféré de Monsieur Roger
J'en ai pas
César.
beaucoup, hein. J'en ai.
La moto, la natation.
Natation.
Non, je veux dire, il aime pêcher alors.
La
Il
pêche.
aime pêcher, la pêche,
Faut bien
du
prononcer, là.
vélo.
Il got me disappointed, yo.
Alors, du vélo, je réponds.
Il y
Du
en a
vélo, la moto, la pêche. Il aime faire aussi la chasse. Tu as tellement de hobbies
Yeah.
et tu dis que tu as 3
Non, mais
hobbies.
j'ai 3.
Non, tu as beaucoup, t'inquiète, tu as beaucoup. Parce que quand tu
C'est
veux pas
vrai,
faire
mais
du
le
vélo,
plus- le
tu
plus
vas
que je
chasser.
fais.
Quand tu veux pas chasser, tu fais du vélo. Quand tu veux pas faire du vélo, tu fais la moto.
Ça,
Si tu veux
c'est
pas
vrai.
faire la moto, tu vas aller
Moi,
pêcher. Tu as plein de hobbies.
Je
Et il y a
sais.
un hobby aussi, c'est moi qui parle trop dans sa tête. Voilà. J'ai répondu.
Ouais. Mais tu l'as mal dit. Mon
Tu vois,
hobby,
voilà.
c'est de construire
Voilà.
des
Tu as toujours mal dit, mais j'ai bien répondu les pièces. Ok?
Ouais, c'est vrai.
Ok, voilà.
Tu mérites un bisou.
Mais penche-toi.
Bisous. Aïe. Ah ouais, ça c'est la femme. Hein.
Comme toujours. Hein?
Alors, question numéro 9.
Ben, ça va quand même bien. Hein?
Alors, la 9e question c'est... Ah, peut-être que tu vas prendre du temps pour répondre à celui-là. Ah oui. Mon équipe de foot préférée.
Ah, people!
My
Me
fo-
need to go far. I know,
Soccer team.
Lyon. Lyon. Le lion.
How you know that?
Le lion.
Le lion,
Le lion.
C'est quoi le lion?
Tu as dit ton équipe. C'est une équipe de football. Le lion, j'ai toujours entendu parler avec les gars, le lion. Le lion, c'est bon, c'est pas bon?
Lyonnais.
Oh, you see? Lyonnais. Lyonnais. There's Lyon people. You see? You see? They just want to give me a hammer. Oh, c'est Lyonnais.
Oh,
c'est Lyon.
No, not quite.
Voilà, ça recommence. Il te donne plein nom.
But sometimes he deserves a hammer.
Sometimes they deserve a hammer?
Yeah.
So, why deserve you now?
A kiss.
Okay, good. Good.
Alright.
Je te jure, les people, they just want to give me a hard time, but not just a hard time when you mention my mom.
Yeah, but sometimes
Oh,
it's
shut
like
my
that, you know, because you
shut my
always
mouth.
give him hard time. You know that.
Yeah, shut my mouth or something. Yeah, shut my mouth.
That's woman.
You can't manage this thing, you can't handle my brother, you know? I'll shut my mouth again. It's just spicy.
Oh, là, ça va être trop facile, là.
Bring it, bring
Ça va
it.
être trop facile, là.
Bring it,
Là, tu vas le
bro.
trouver tellement vite que... Ah ouais, ça fait trop facile.
Mais si tu
Alors,
dis...
quelle marque que je préfère?
People,
What is my favorite brand?
you have one right here. One is right here. It's Polo Ralph Lauren. Okay? And the other one, people, a collection of Levi's.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay, good.
Ah oui, Madame Lacoste. Hein.
Don't you just appreciate? Duh.
Kiss.
Bring it, bring it, bring
You
it.
get that one. That one was too simple. Là.
I'm gonna tell you
That's
something.
what I said.
I tell you,
It was
bring
too
it.
simple. It was too
Bring it,
easy.
but me come and forget. Bring it.
That one was too easy. Yeah. Me
But,
too.
no, I'm waiting. I do like how you do me the night. You're gonna give me one here because in the question in two. You're bang. One here, one
How
here,
much of them?
one here, one here, one here. What's that?
One.
Okay then.
One.
Go continue on.
One.
Continue on.
One.
Continue on.
One.
And continue on.
Mwah.
God bless.
You get that one.
Bring it.
That one was simple still. Hello. Let me see if you know this one.
What do you mean? What's
What
the
is
magic?
my favorite perfume brand?
People, sometimes some
This
fellows
one
believe,
gonna be too easy.
some
Nah,
fellows
that can't be too
believe.
easy.
You know when you got a simple man in your life, very simple, just go by the Marina, Nim Roger. Roger Marina?
C'est quoi ça?
Roger. La Marina Roger, c'est pas ça le parfum? Roger Marina. Tell me no.
Well, it's not the good pronunciation.
But you know me and this thing either.
This is the first time I end up
Monsieur Marina
So
Roger.
peeps,
I'm not right, I don't know.
you think I should give that one? There's Rouge Royal.
Roger Royal,
Roger
they
Royal.
say, but I still box my Marina people. So if you want to give,
I
yes,
buy that one in America.
ben c'est toujours Roger Royal. Roger Royal. Mais j'ai toujours resté dans ma... Quand je vais chercher des fois, je garde Roger dans ma tête. Et voilà. So,
Mais t'oublies.
Roger!
You deserve that one?
Yes, I do!
I'll give it to you. You
They got to
deserve
give to me. Oh,
it.
yeah.
Yeah, you do buy it for me. Yeah.
Oh, God.
But she never remember the name.
You
That's
gotta
why
be-
I had to ask you this one.
But I always keep in my head Roger Marie.
Roger Marina.
So I deserve it.
Bisous.
Okay, good.
Alright.
Simple
Well.
thing, you know, we have a hobby doing certain thing, a hobby. Because they get paid the money.
Ça c'est trop facile aussi. Tu vas trouver trop vite.
Bring it. Bring it.
What is my favorite jewelry?
People, once again.
Quel est mon bijou préféré?
The best we go to church now, Roger. You should go on your knees and married. A watch.
Hello?
A watch.
Yeah, you get that one. Yeah, this one was too easy.
A watch.
Yeah. Ding.
I should ask you that question though.
What up?
What my jewelry prefer?
Your preferred jewelry?
Yeah.
Hold up. It's not your time. Using the hot seat.
My bad. It's a watch. You think that is true? It's a watch.
No, but your time done. It's my turn.
No problem. So what? I get to go or what?
Yeah, you did get it.
So okay, lean now. Lean.
No.
No. Look how we doing this thing.
Alright, you win it. You win it. I'm
so
sorry.
You
didn't win this one, so you deserve it.
Okay, listen to me. Can I talk now?
Yeah.
Okay, I find the answer. It is the watch. So now you gotta kiss my hand and kiss me.
No, that's too much.
No. If I didn't find it, look, the watch going away on your hand.
No, but
so you kiss my hand.
The Marina Royale there.
Yeah, but you're not a silent about the pot.
So
me and French brand is not friend.
Alright, you get it good.
Okay, so
you didn't bargain that one. You didn't bargain.
People.
Alright. Madame la duchesse.
Il n'y a pas de souci. Non, mais je l'ai senti. Voilà.
Tu l'as senti là?
Ben oui, je l'ai senti au plus là maintenant.
Mais là, où après.
Et voilà.
Demander si moi toi pas.
Parce que je trouve la majorité, je suis sur 2 mauvaises réponses toujours.
Avec des bugs.
Mais je suis pas trop français, parfum, bitter comme ça. Mais pour trouver le parfum, je garde toujours Roger Malin dans ma tête.
Laisse-moi voir si tu vas trouver celui-là. Et c'est un nom, hein. Ah, maintenant, c'est un nom. Un nom très simple. Maintenant, c'est à toi de me dire répondre si c'est oui ou c'est non. If you will find it or not. I hope that you will find that one. What is my favorite channel? Non. C'est quoi mon émission préférée?
Le TV do Chin Chatal Discovery Channel. Discovery. Le découvert, le truc découvert. Je ne sais pas ce que tu veux chercher, tu me regardes. Mais oui, découvert. Discovery Channel.
De toute façon, toujours capable bien faire.
Mais c'est ça qu'a dit, c'est quelque chose qui est gravé dans ma tête. C'est dans ma tête, ce truc-là.
C'est pour une question plus difficile.
C'était dans ma tête. C'était dans ma tête.
Because this one there, we always fighting for the channel. Yeah. Let me watch my novella. You watch my this and that. Oh God. Hope you guys don't have the same pain like me, yo.
Well, you should have the same pain.
Novella every day. Oh God.
I don't be home every day.
And the
okay,
last
it's correct
one,
or not?
At least, yeah, it's correct. Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah.
Bring it.
You did answer good.
Okay, then
sorry about that one.
Okay.
Yeah, and the last one, not for least, it's j'espère que tu vas trouver parce que ça c'était pendant ma jeunesse.
Ok, on verra.
What was my first motorbike?
And why are you born again? No, I can't ask him why.
My first two-wheel.
Oh, your first two-wheel. My first two-wheel was a Zip. I think you didn't have no Zip.
No.
After I get a Typhoon.
But they asking you what you had.
Maybe you had a Gilead because maybe at that moment you just get a bike. Because back in my days I wasn't seeing you on nothing, so a Gilead.
But you tell me, my time wasn't.
So tell me, is a Gilead?
Lucky God put us in the same road for we to put up. And for you
because when they had DNA is the big boy.
Yeah.
Means you know it. I had one of that. Yeah.
DNA.
C'est un Gilead, le gros Gilead. You
moi
throw it in there. Tu avais un runner. Wow. Ben, moi j'avais une qui était plus fort que le runner.
Ah mais vous aimez pas vous.
Mais voilà.
Maintenant, on est plus gros qui tout ça vous là.
Ah, vous savez quand vous faites des enfants, ça change. Hein.
Ouais. Bon ben, t'as bien répondu. So finally, I see that you know me quite good. Because you answer.
No, let me be real. Let me be real. What do you think? You're waiting to see that I get damaged, okay?
No, not really.
I waiting to hear you.
Because I wanted to know if you truly, really, you know me. And
you wanted to know if you could match.
Yeah. And truly,
so what
if
you
it was
think?
good.
In the bottom of your heart, what do you think?
You know me.
I know you?
Yeah.
You sure? So we have to come on this show.
I don't say 1,000%. I'll still give it 100%. So guys, thanks again for watching us, and hope you guys enjoy it. And like the channel and subscribe. That would be fun, y'all. You know. Boom.
So people, I hope this time I enjoy because I was in a hot seat. I only do also 3 mistakes.
Yeah.
I did 3 mistakes.
Like me. So
like him.
That means
so they could say we matching. But for me, I could say I'm matching more. I'm more into him because normally for me, I try to do 2 mistakes, but you know they always said we're gonna be too like kid quoi. On est kid ce soir, mais en totalité.
L'homme est un vrai gentleman. Sur ce, I love you guys.
So people, lay back, sit.
It's,
and what is October month, people?
Who was on the hot seat there?
But it's October month, they are setting breast cancer. We representing.
Non, qui est coupé là parce que là on va commencer à gagner. Tu parles plus que.
Mais c'est le mois d'octobre, mon chéri. Breast cancer. People support breast cancer. They have bracelet for $10 and everything. I know let me get it stay going. Yes, people.
We won't put that one.
For what?
No, that one is all that.
But we have to say breast cancer.
No, but that one is all that.
Qui l'a eu to do?
Finalement, on voit que finally, I think that you know me quite good.
You say so?
La vérité.
The light just cut off.
Yep.
But I'm tired tonight now.